Hey YouTubers, it's me Gwentastic, and I'm just going to show you how to do a gingerbread nail design today. You can take any old boring nails and make them pop by adding simple designs. I'm first going to start off by applying my gel polish. I already prepped the press-on nails before I started this video. I chose a couple of my favorite colors that I feel work well together and will work well with this design. Before we go any further, please stop and subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thank you, thank you. I'm just popping it into my UV light for 60 seconds. Now that it's all done, I'll paint my second layer. Now that I'm actually watching this, it seems like my painting is taking forever. But I'm popping it back in the UV light for another 60 seconds. That was fast. And now I'm taking my nail art design brush, cleaning it off, and I'm dipping it into my polish, and I'm figuring out I don't want to go with this, so I'm going to put that down. Maybe I'll use this one. I don't think I like this one either, but I'm going to try a little while. I'm used to using dotting tools to create my design. That's how I started out 6 years ago, using dotting tools, so it's an interesting method, but it works for me. Ignore my chewing. It was so loud. I didn't even realize I was that loud. But right here, I'm drawing my gingerbread man with my dotting tool. I'm making his little arms. And then I'm going to make his little legs. And then I'm using my pinky, I don't know if you noticed, to steady my hand so that I can draw without shaking and create clean lines. Try not to apply too much pressure if you decide to try this dotting tool method. But you can always take your brush, dip it in a little acetone, go back in and clean it up. I am working on top of gel polish, so it's easy to clean up. Then I'm just gonna go back in around his head and try to make it a little bit more even. Sorry guys, I thought that was in the camera. I'm just going in now with my green, creating that little bow tie. Darn it, keeps popping off. I'm gonna get my white ready and prep it. And when I realize it's not to my liking, I'm not satisfied with it, so I'm gonna wipe it off and I'm gonna start again. I'm sort of somewhat of a perfectionist, so let's try this again. I got a little less polish this time. I think I had too much polish the first time. I'm just cleaning off my dotting tool, getting some white, creating those buttons that he likes, those gumdrop buttons. And I'm gonna go ahead and get my black ready because I'm about to outline his body. I'm putting the finished touches on my gingerbread man, and then we're gonna move on to my next nail. Just adding some white limes with my striping brush. I really like these striping brush. I got it from Dollar General years ago. They're pretty hard to find now. Add a few red dots at the top and the bottom, and we're done with that one. Now I feel like I need to add some red, green, and white dots where the ring finger would be. See? Turn something simple into something sweet. Don't forget to subscribe for my weekly videos. You won't want to miss them. And thumbs up and like this video. Feel free to talk to me in the comments. I do my best to get back with you guys and answer everyone that I can. I decided to add something extra. Everybody loves glitter. Glitter, glitter, glitter. That's my favorite thing. In another video, I'm going to show you guys my glitter box. It's filled with glitter. I can't even fit any more in there. But this is a champagne glitter. It's very pretty. And I'm going to leave it chunky. I'm not even going to add a top coat.